Hi, everybody. This is DeGarmo Tech coming back at you with another installment of DeGarmo Tech Explains All. This week, we are going to be talking about Grav CMS. So, CMS is Content Management System. For those of you that do not know, once again, this is something that's new to me. I found out about it fairly recently, and I just figured I'd make a quick video explaining what it is and how for people that want to make a website that don't necessarily know how to develop websites like HTML and CSS and don't have that technical background. This is a great way to do that and have professional looking websites that are easily accessible and customizable. So specifically what we're going to be looking at today is how to add a page in Grav. So as you can see up here, this is degarmotech.com, which is my domain that I just recently set up. And then to access the control panel within Grav, you just put a /admin and it brings you to this dashboard and you just have to log in with your credentials. So going over here, this is your main dashboard, gives you statistics about your site, things like that. Gives you a chance to check for updates within Grav. It's very simple. Um, then if you want to go over here to the pages, as you can see here, I have a couple pages already on my website, a home page, and then just a few pages for different people that may be viewing my website. Now, if you wanted to add a page and customize it, you'd basically just go up here to the add section, and right here we can add a title. So we'll just say in class example, and we're going to put it to the root of the site. You can also put it underneath, different pages within the site, but for this video, we're just going to put it under the root. Under visible, typically it stays at auto, but what I've liked to do is change it to yes, because I had a few instances where I put it to auto and then the page wasn't automatically visible after I did it. It's personal preference. You can go and add it back later on if you'd like. So once we're in here, this is the title of the page. And down in this general area, you can see you can just add whatever you want. So you can say, this is an example of a web page in Grav. Now, unfortunately, I can't go to my site right now because the site that I'm actually is hosting my domain is having some server issues. But basically, what you would do is you would put in whatever you'd like, and then you'd hit save. The page would then be saved, and the text that you put in would show up on the website. Now, there are like a ton of advanced options. So this is like in regards to publishing. This is advanced. And then this tab over here is actually a plugin that I added, a SEO plugin, which is search engine optimization. This is just basically so you can get more clicks. And when somebody types in, DeGarmo Tech or DeGarmo on Google, that site will come up first and it can link to, your various different things. So Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, I would assume. And it's really simple to add these plugins. All you have to do is go to the plugin section. And then as you can see here, I already have auto SEO and then this Google SEO down here. But if I wanted to add another one, you just click on the ad, you type in SEO, and obviously the two that I already have installed aren't showing up, but here are two more that you could easily add. On top of that, like I had mentioned earlier with the themes, you can go down here. Here are three themes that I actually added that I enjoyed. This is the theme right here that I'm using currently. So if we go back to the theme section, it's really easy. You just hit add, and then you can scroll through all of the different themes that are pre-made, and all you do is install it and apply it to your website. So, this is something similar to like a Weebly or WordPress, but I really like the layout that Grav has. It's simplifies everything, and it's very user friendly. The UI is very great. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know down in the comments if you use Grav to make a website, and I hope you enjoyed this latest installment of DeGarmo Tech Explains All.